Onward! So, are you actually named Skeever?
I am, you strange Falmer.
I am not a Falmer, bird for brains. I am an Altmer.
Oh, I always confuse the two. That is not to say you are not a cleverly masked member of the Falmerian Dominion.
Oh yes, quite well known for the glowing mushroom concordant. Though I must say, while I find your confusion a possibility, the likelihood is receding.
Oh, well, aren't you the clever one?
Don't assume to know too much about me.
I know many things.
Really now, is that a fact?
Oh, most definitely yes. For example, I know you smell strange, like you are hiding something.
I don't think I have anything to hide. In fact, I rather pride myself on speaking plainly.
Maybe you should pride yourself someplace else.
What was that?
I said you should be proud of yourself in this wonderful place.
I'm not too confident that you did phrase it exactly like that.
I'm not confident that you did phrase it exactly like that.
Excuse me?
I said you are mystery-free Altimer, wonderful and pure. No secret clouds your name.
Sure,